Hey guys, this is Tyler Pearson here, your local LCA at Hills Chiropractic. Today we're going to be talking about foam rolling, specifically the thoracics. Now a lot of patients come in here with tight mid-backs. This is the best foam roller to actually get you some relief, and I like to call these mini Dr. Peters because if you can't get in here, you can always use one of these. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take the foam roller, make sure the two bumps are lined up outside your spine. You're going to put it just about halfway up your mid-back, let's say about upper lumbar. You're going to lay back on the foam roller, and you're gonna roll down on it just till you get in between those shoulder blades. Give yourself a nice big hug. This is gonna help spread your scapula to get in between those places, and just roll up and down over the area. Another variation you can do, slowly raise your arm up as you come up, help to dig in there. Another variation you can do on top of that, field goals. Getting a little bit internal, external rotation in there. And then the very last variation you can do, after I make this minor adjustment, is lifting your arms up as you come up. You're gonna wanna do this for 30 seconds to a minute, 3 times a day. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always come into the office and ask us.